There is one common error in most writers' essays. That is, the essay or the topic or the thesis is too broad and it's not acceptable at all. So generally, we would focus on one thing, which is as narrow as possible. All right? Generally, for all essays or for all papers. All right? Be careful about this. Let me give you some examples. For the example 1, so if the professor required you to write about one specific online website or community app company, talk about its advantage or its disadvantage. These advantages. All right, your best choice is Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, or Line. That's fine, right? That's okay, that's great. But if you're going to write the whole internet world, then it's not acceptable, and you need to rewrite for the whole essay if your intro is wrong. Because if your thesis is wrong, then the rest of your essay, it's impossible to be correct, right? So another example, so if one professor required you to talk about one animal, its sociology, you could say its social interaction with peers or whatever, with parents, right? Then it's completely fine for you to write one bird, monkey, cat, dog, that's great. But if you are going to write the whole animal world, then I'm sorry, you need to revise the whole essay. So you know what is a disaster? That is for research paper. Imagine this, one professor, it's impossible for one professor to require the student to write about the whole Japan, right? To write about the whole Kenya, the whole United States, the whole China, the whole Korea, right? Or the whole Africa, you could say, the whole Asia, right? So if, for example, it required the student to write about the economy or the microeconomy about Kenya, that's acceptable. Do you think so? Right. So, but if the professor require the student to write about the microeconomy of Kenya, but you give me all aspects of Kenya, China, Africa, Asia, then it will spend about 1 week to rewrite and no other income. So what I want to say is your understanding, your analysis of the topic of the prompt is extremely important, and that is save your time, and that is actually increasing your payment, right? Your income. So be careful when you are reading the prompt. Thank you.